It is informed from Panda Hub Channel that Irish World Rally Championship driver Craig Breen has died in a pre-event test for the Croatia Rally. The 33-year-old was part of the Hyundai team and had returned to the team for the 2023 WRC season. Breen's co-driver James Fulton was unharmed in the accident. Breen began his career in karting before moving into rallying and had achieved several runner-up positions in the WRC. The WRC community has expressed shock and sadness at Breen's passing. FIA President Mohammed Ben Sulayem and Motorsport Ireland President Aidan Harper have also expressed condolences. Craig Breen was a talented and passionate rally driver, who was a shining light for Irish rallying and motorsport across the world. Breen's charm and infectious passion for rallying brought people closer to the sport he loved. He was a successful rally driver with a high podium rate and was also an Irish tarmac rally champion. Breen's legacy will be remembered forever, particularly his efforts with the next generation of drivers, and his close relationship with his co-driver Gareth Roberts, who he lost in an accident in 2012. Breen was known for his massive smile and fantastic wit and was one of the nicest men in the sport. Keep an eye out for videos for further news. Keep safe, keep enjoying.